Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Fablash is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products on the market right now, and for good reason. These innovative lash extensions promise to deliver stunning, natural-looking volume and length, transforming your everyday look into something truly glamorous without the hassle of traditional falsies or the commitment of professional extensions. If you're dreaming of waking up with effortlessly beautiful lashes that turn heads, then you'll want to stick around as we dive deep into what makes Fablash a game-changer for lash lovers everywhere. Number 5. Rapid Volume D-Curl Eyelash Extensions. Achieve breathtaking volume with our D-Curl Rapid Volume Lashes. They are designed for easy fanning, giving you more time to create beautiful looks. Our innovative technology allows for automatic blooming, creating perfect fans every time. This makes your application process faster and more efficient. Available in a D-Curl and a 0.07 thickness, these lashes offer a dramatic yet natural look. You can create stunning 3D to 10D volume effects. Crafted for professionals, these individual lashes provide a seamless blend with natural lashes. Enjoy a luxurious feel and long-lasting wear. Designed for speed and precision, these self-fanning lashes are a dream to work with. Elevate your lash artistry with ease and confidence. Find the perfect fit for every client with lengths ranging from 8mm to 15mm. Create customized looks that enhance natural beauty. What we like. These lashes offer rapid blooming for easy volume creation. If you are looking for speed and versatility in creating full, fluffy sets, these are a great choice. They allow for quick application of 3D to 10D fans. What people say. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear. They blend seamlessly with natural lashes, creating a fuller look. The lash band is thin and flexible, making application easy. Number 4. STACY Lash Sensitive Eyelash Extension Glue. Introducing our Sensitive Eyelash Extension Glue, designed for professionals. Experience incredibly low fumes and a gentle formula that minimizes irritation. With a convenient 5 to 6 second drying time, it offers comfort and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and experienced lash artists alike. Enjoy a reliable bond that lasts up to 4 to 5 weeks. This adhesive ensures your clients can flaunt their extensions without worry. Our glue comes in super packaging, sealed to preserve maximum freshness and ensure the best possible bond for a long-lasting finish. This latex-free formula is specifically created for sensitive eyes, providing a comfortable and allergy-free experience for your clients. Please remember, this product is intended for trained lash artists only. It is not for self-application or use on cluster or strip lashes. What we like. This adhesive is designed for sensitive eyes with minimal fumes. If you or your clients experience irritation with other glues, or if you are a beginner seeking a comfortable application, this is the one to consider. Its reliable retention ensures beautiful results for weeks. What people say. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear, giving a natural look. Easy to apply and remove, they stay on securely without damaging natural lashes. The variety of styles available allows for customization to achieve different lash looks. Number 3. FADLASH DIY Lash Clusters. Achieve stunning lash extensions right at home. Our DIY lash clusters offer a natural, wispy volume for a beautiful look. Experience ultimate comfort with our soft band design. These individual extensions feel incredibly natural, blending seamlessly with your own lashes. Perfect for beginners, applying these lash clusters is simple and quick. Get salon-quality results without the professional price tag. Choose from a range of lengths, 8 to 16mm, and the popular D-Curl to create your perfect lash style. Mix and match for a truly personalized effect. With 280 pieces in every pack, you'll have plenty of clusters from multiple applications. Enjoy beautiful, voluminous lashes whenever you desire. Enhance your eyes with beautiful volume and definition. These individual extensions are designed to give you that captivating gaze effortlessly. What we like. These DIY lash clusters are perfect for achieving a natural, wispy look at home. If you're a beginner or prefer a subtle enhancement, these soft band clusters are easy to apply. They offer a customizable and comfortable lash extension experience. What people say. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them feel natural. The lash band is thin and flexible, allowing for easy application and a seamless blend with natural lashes. They hold their curl well throughout the day and maintain their shape without drooping. Number 2. Yawamica Lash Clusters Kit. Introducing the Yawamica Lash Clusters Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful lashes. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to achieve stunning lash extensions at home. Inside, you'll find 320 individual lash clusters in a D curl, ranging from 9mm to 16mm. These wispy extensions are designed to give you a natural yet dramatic look. We've included a specially formulated bond and seal to ensure long-lasting wear. Plus, a gentle lash remover and a precise applicator make the entire process effortless. This kit is perfect for beginners looking to explore lash extensions. Achieve professional-looking results with ease, thanks to the user-friendly design and included tools. Transform your look with these individual lashes. Get ready to enjoy gorgeous, customized lash extensions that enhance your natural beauty. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for lash extensions, even for beginners. If you want to try lash extensions at home without buying individual components, this kit is ideal. It offers a wide range of lengths for a personalized look. What people say. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them perfect for all-day use. The natural look of these lashes is amazing, they blend seamlessly with my own lashes. Application is super easy and quick, even for beginners. Number 1. FADLASH Lash Clusters Kit. Introducing the FADLASH Lash Clusters Kit, your solution for beautiful, natural-looking lashes at home. This kit makes DIY lash extensions simple and effective. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit includes everything you need for a flawless application. Get salon-quality results without leaving your house. Enjoy the versatility of D-curl cluster lashes in various lengths. You can customize your look to perfectly match your eye shape and desired style. The kit comes complete with a reliable lash bond and seal to ensure your extensions stay in place. Achieve long-lasting wear with confidence. With the included lash tweezers, application is precise and easy. Achieve professional-looking lash extensions conveniently and affordably. This comprehensive kit provides all the essentials for creating stunning individual lash extensions. Elevate your beauty routine with this easy-to-use system. What we like. This DIY kit provides natural-looking lash clusters and essential tools for at-home application. If you're looking for a convenient way to achieve a beautiful lash look yourself, this kit is a great option. It includes everything needed for a seamless application and finish. What people say. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable to wear, making them perfect for all-day use. The unique design of the lashes creates a natural-looking volume that enhances the eyes without being too dramatic. The application process is straightforward, and the lashes adhere well, staying in place throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.